Today we're going to be taking this big block of beeswax and changing it into this candy bar shape. Beeswax is amazing because it's made by f***ing bees. Stick around until the end and I'll show you my top 5 favorite ways to utilize beeswax. All I've done is changed its form. In doing so, created a convenient way to take a little bit of piece of your beeswax and utilize it for a project. Look at this beautiful color and texture. It smells so wonderful. It has many uses. And I highly suggest that you pick up some beeswax. And thanks for sticking around my top 5 uses of beeswax for the home and workshop to make your own furniture polish.
Beeswax makes an awesome surface-to-surface lubricant. So for wood-on-wood drawer slides where you just need it to slide a little bit better.
Also for wood projects, if you put a little bit of beeswax on your screw, it'll drive much easier. Beeswax is a great ingredient for making campfire starters. And finally, beeswax is an awesome finish just as is melted onto raw steel. Now I want you to keep in mind, even though this looks extremely edible and delicious, it's not food. It's not food.